Decades ago, when Bryan's Heating was established, we had the intent of becoming a premier HVAC construction company. We never imagined that we would gain enough experience not only to grow as a business, but also to open up our commercial construction department and expand our residential service division. Our passion, hard work, and constant determination have brought aboard one of the most trained and supported teams we've ever had. Whether we are out in the field servicing our commercial properties, leading cutting-edge construction projects, or supporting our local homeowners, all we want to do is become a household name within our community to serve more and more families. Since day one, it's been our mission to make sure each and every client is completely satisfied. And to this day, our growing family of technicians and staff continues to deliver that same commitment right to your front door. Bryan's Heating and Air Conditioning is not your typical HVAC company. What makes us different is that we put you first. We're 100% committed to providing excellent service and are proud to be one of the Midwest's top Armstrong Air dealers. We're here to help you with any size project, from residential or commercial service, maintenance, equipment upgrades, and indoor air quality, to bigger projects such as custom designed homes and extensive commercial construction projects, because what we do is all we know. I'm Bryan, and I feel proud to say that today, what we have built is our legacy. We are Bryan's Heating and Air Conditioning.